today's video is another FanJoy order, and I'm going to get straight to the point. About a month or so ago I did order a K&J hoodie, and I cannot for the life of me work out the sizing with the... I cannot work out the sizing, and I thought, well, my Colby hoodie is an L, so I thought get the K&J in an L, but this one is slightly too small, but don't worry about that, I'll lose weight instantly just like that, it's fine. But my Colby hoodie is really baggy on me and they're both the same size. Don't know what to do with that, so I ordered another K&J hoodie but in a different colour. So yeah, I believe this is my third FanJoy order, because 2 K&J and 1 Colby Brock. So fingers crossed that this one fits me, because if it doesn't, I literally just give up. Oh, this one isn't packaged. Oh, it is. I'll just rip straight through it. It is. It smells like Crayolas. Also, this is my first video with my new hair. And I'm just walking up, so bear with me. It just looks longer. It literally just looks longer. I've got a feeling this isn't going to fit me either. The heck? I've got a feeling this was literally just made today. Okay, so far so good. So far so good. Slightly bigger, so I can fit my shoulders in. Yeah, so if I order any K&J merch, I am an XL. So definitely know that for next time. But in Colby Brock ones, I am easily a medium if I want to properly fit it. So yeah, oh, this is well fitted. It's perfect, and I'm glad I've finally got K&J merch, except from the book obviously, that I can go out and wear, because I can't use the excuse that it's always sold out, because it's not, haven't. But I don't have FanJoy money, so I treated myself 3 times. But yeah, it actually fits, and I'm really glad. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry it's a bit boring, there's not much I can do about it. But yeah, thanks for watching this video. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.